Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili enchiladas. First, let's create the heart of our dish, the rich chili sauce. Start by toasting 3 tablespoons of chili powder in a saucepan for about 1 minute to deepen its flavor. Then, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to form a roux, cooking for another minute. Gradually pour in 2 cups of warm chicken broth, stirring constantly until the sauce thickens and becomes smooth. Finally, season it with 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and salt to taste, letting it simmer gently. Next, we prepare our delicious filling and get the tortillas ready. For the filling, you'll need about 2 pounds of cooked and shredded chicken or beef. Mix it with about 1/2 cup of our amazing chili sauce. This adds incredible flavor right from the start. For the tortillas, gently warm 12 corn tortillas in a little oil or chicken broth for about 15 seconds per side. This makes them soft and flexible, preventing them from tearing when you roll them. Don't forget to grate 2 cups of your favorite cheese, like Monterey Jack or cheddar. Now comes the fun part, assembling these delicious enchiladas. Take each warm tortilla and dip it completely into our rich chili sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. Then, lay the sauce tortilla flat and spoon about 1/4 cup of your prepared meat filling down the center. Sprinkle a generous amount of grated cheese over the filling. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly, making sure the seam is on the bottom. Arrange all 12 rolled enchiladas snugly in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish, ready for the final touches. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your masterpiece. Once all 12 enchiladas are in the baking dish, pour any remaining chili sauce evenly over them, ensuring every inch is covered. Then, generously sprinkle the remaining 1 cup of grated cheese over the top. Bake your enchiladas in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden brown. Let them rest for a few minutes, then garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot. Enjoy your perfect chili enchiladas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.